Hello, this is how we can learn English by speaking with ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to talk with ChatGPT and it is going to teach me. Hello ChatGPT,
Hey there, how's it going? What's on your mind today?
I want you to teach me.
I'd love to. What are you curious about? We can dive into any topic, big or small. Just let me know what sparks your interest.
That's great. I want you to teach me about the English tenses. Would you give me the summary of English tenses?
Absolutely. So, English tenses are basically how we talk about time. We have three main ones: the past, the present, and the future. Each of those has variations like simple, continuous, which shows ongoing action, perfect, which shows completion, and perfect continuous, which mixes both. Altogether, you get 12 tenses. Once you know whether the action is finished, ongoing, or just a fact, you choose the right form.
That's great, thank you. And then moving on, would you tell me about the passive voice and active voice in English?
Sure thing. In active voice, the subject is doing the action. For example, the cat chased the mouse. In passive voice, the focus shifts to what's receiving the action, so it becomes the mouse was chased by the cat. Active voice tends to be more direct and energetic, while passive voice is sometimes used when the doer is unknown or less important.
Can you give me like 3 examples on active voice and 3 examples on passive voice?
Of course, active voice. 1, she writes a letter. 2, they built a house. 3, the dog chased the ball. 4, he fixed the car. 5, we won the game. 6, the chef cooked dinner. Passive voice. 1, a letter was written by her. 2, a house was built by them. 3, the ball was chased by the dog.
This is very clear and very helpful.
That's what I'm here for. If you ever want to dig deeper or practice a few examples, just say the word.
Then would you tell me about the direct speech and indirect speech, please?
Sure, direct speech is when you quote someone exactly, using their own words, usually in quotation marks, like, she said, I am happy. Indirect speech, also called reported speech, is when you rephrase what someone said without quoting exactly. For example, she said that she was happy. When shifting to indirect speech, you usually adjust pronouns, time expressions, and often change the verb tense back a step in time.
This is clear now and very helpful. Thank you very much.